Green building, thermal envelope. Definition: green building.
Green building refers to both a structure and an application of processes that are environmentally responsible and resource efficient through a building life cycle, from planning to design, construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and demolition. The green building practice complements the classic building design concern of economy, utility, durability, and comfort. What is thermal envelope? The thermal envelope is basically any structure in building that separates the air inside building from the air outside. This includes anything intended to keep the air inside, such as insulation, windows, floors, outer walls, and outside doors. All the elements of the outer shell that maintain a dry, heated, or cold indoor environment and facilitates its climate control.
Why do building envelope matter?
Why do building envelopes matter? 1. Moisture control. Moisture will impact your building over your head, under your feet, and on your sides. Each component must be addressed to prevent unwanted transfer from causing expensive damage. It's essential in all climates, but all climates and not humid climates are especially demanding. 2. Air control. Controlling airflow is key to controlling energy consumption, ensuring indoor air quality, avoiding condensation, and providing comfort. Controlled air movement includes flow through the enclosure or through a component of the building envelope itself, as well as into the out of the interior space. 3. Thermal control. Thermal transfer brings to mind how comfortable we feel inside our homes.
Advantage and disadvantage of thermal envelope.
Wall insulation systems help to keep homes more energy efficient and comfortable. According to Energy Saving Trust, if your home was built from 1920 onwards, the chances are that its external walls are made of 2 layers with a small gap or cavity between them. This empty cavity is what led to the need of insulating material. There are many advantages as well as disadvantages that accompany wall insulation. Wall insulation is normally made up of air barrier, vapor retard, and thermal bridges, all of which contribute to preventing heat from escaping through the walls of homes. By reducing heat loss as well as cool air that it is lost during summer, wall insulation reduces emission to the environment by reducing the use of heaters and air conditioners, which helps to reduce electricity consumption. According to Green Street, wall insulation can reduce heat loss by up to 40% through cavity walls, up to 60%. It is therefore one of the most important energy-saving measures to consider. Wall insulators also prevent the penetration of too much heat from the external environment, which is especially useful during summer. According to the Building Research Establishment, cavity wall insulation does not totally prevent rainwater from penetrating. The rainwater creates moisture, which can cause dampness on internal finish. Some material used for wall insulation pose health risks. Asbestos, for example, has been unknown to cause mesothelioma, a form of lung cancer, and gastrointestinal tract cancer. Fiberglass, a commonly used material for insulation, can cause skin allergies due to the chemical used to bind the fibers together. In addition, styrene, a foam insulator, can cause health risks ranging from eye and respiratory irritation to possible effect on the liver and the reproductive system.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, an evaluation of thermal performance of residential building was carried out. Basing on the visual and instrumental inspection, the conclusion and the non-compliance of the state object with the requirement of the design normative documentation was drawn. The thermal vision control allowed the revealing lengthened defects of the building's envelope and outlining the ways of the elimination. The numerical modeling of heat transfer made it possible to respond to reasonably develop suggestions aimed to enhancing the building envelope elements. The integrated application of this method gave an opportunity to determine the thermotically state of the object in whole. The obtained result indicates the necessity for thermal modernization of the building. The result of the study served as a basis for the development of methodological foundation for design, construction, operation, and renovation of energy efficient buildings.
I said thank you!